¿cuántos segundos?
3.
Go.
I have to count?
Yeah, you have to count 1, 2, 3. Here, let me help you.
Can you open?
You see this?
Oh.
Like that. Okay.
Okay.
Stand up like this. No, this is how you grab it. Like a pencil. 1.
Hey!
Yo lo limpio. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good job. You did good. Put it here. What's the next ingredient?
This.
That's the third ingredient.
Ah. Yes?
No. Yes. How many?
1.
First, right? There's this one over here.
Which one? This one?
Any.
Don't
Don't put them like that. You have to use this one then. You already put them like this. Don't do that.
Okay.
Where do you put the lemon?
In this. You do it like this.
Good.
And then you smash it. As hard as Hulk.
Count how many? Don't count.
3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, slicey.
No, Kevin, keep squishing them so it's finished.
Yarderiti. And
Wait, time out, time out.
okay.
Este es un pinche encuerado.